So we made it out to Idaho. I'm out here at my parents' house, and I like to come out here and help them out with some things. We've built some hay sheds and built some fences and things. And today what I'm going to help him with is blowing up one of his tractors. So he's got a couple tractors laying around that he's going to scrap, and he just wants to take the oil and gas out of them, load them up on the back of his flatbed, and take them to the scrap yard. And since I'm kind of a smart aleck, I asked him, well, why don't we just blow up the engines while we're at it? We'll just drain the oil out and run them till they go. So that's what we're going to do here. So this is a Kohler engine. This is actually the same lawn tractor that I have at home as my backup tractor, so I'm kind of interested to see how long it's going to take to blow this thing up if it didn't have any oil. Not like it'd really matter. I think I do an okay job at maintaining my lawn tractors.
It's running pretty well right now.
So just in case anybody thinks we're cheating, we did take the oil filter off.
She wrote.
So the engine lasted about 2 minutes 18 seconds without any oil in it. I thought it was going to last a lot longer. I've been to some demolition derbies to where you see some of these cars tore apart and they just keep running. So I thought it was going to last a little bit longer, so my dad guessed a minute. Looks like he wins that one. So we had so much fun blowing up the first one that we're going to also blow up this one. And this motor is a 20 horsepower Briggs and Stratton. And we took the oil filter off this tractor as well as proof that we drained out the oil. Still draining a little bit out, then we'll fire her up. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's out of gas. It ran out of gas. It ran for 5 minutes and still didn't see that. Briggs and Stratton's way better. We gotta get this.
So the tractor didn't blow up. We ran it out of gas before it blew up, so we're gonna start the timer again. minutes.
That's it.
10:40. Okay, we got to start it again. And we got to start it again. All right, hit it. Yeah, it's hammering now. We might run out of gas again.
Okay, we'll let it die. Nope, that's it. It's too far gone. It's too far gone.
Too far gone? All right, we're gonna call it 12 minutes, 9 seconds. If you're really bad at doing maintenance on your lawnmower, buy a Briggs and Stratton.